Hello everyone. Today we are going to solve a problem on polynomials. The question here is, if the zeros of the polynomial x cube minus ax square plus bx minus c are in arithmetic progression, then show that 2a cube minus 9ab plus 27c equal to 0. Now, as far as polynomials are concerned and finding the zeros, we have the formulas like this. When we add the sum of all the roots, when we add the sum of all the zeros of the polynomial, assuming the zeros are alpha, beta, and gamma. When we add the sum of these zeros, it will be minus of the coefficient of x with the second highest power. So in this case, since the highest power is x cube, the second highest one is the one x squared. So here the coefficient is minus a. So minus of minus a divided by the coefficient of x cube, coefficient of the highest power of x. So here it will be 1. So alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to a. This is our equation number 1. Now when we do the product of all the zeros, alpha, beta, gamma, the product of all the zeros of the quadratic equation is equal to minus the coefficient of the constant. Now here the constant is minus c. So minus of minus c divided by coefficient of x cube, which is again 1. So this will be c. And this is our equation number 2. We also have an equation where when we add the product of two roots, two zeros taken together, which is alpha beta plus beta gamma plus alpha gamma, when we take them, we get coefficient of x, which is b, divided by coefficient of x cube. Once again it is 1, so it will be b. So this is our third equation. So we have all the three equations now. All that we need to do is, now we have to look at the second part of the question. It says, if the zeros are in arithmetic progression. So if the zeros are in arithmetic progression, then equation 1, if we look at alpha plus beta plus gamma equal to a, can also be written as, now alpha and beta, there is a difference d, let's assume. Then the difference between beta and gamma is also d, because they are in arithmetic progression. So we can write alpha as beta minus d plus beta plus beta plus d. The difference is equal to a. So minus d and plus d cancels. So we have 3 beta equal to a. This is our next equation, which is equation number 4. Now, if you look at equation 2, alpha, beta, gamma equal to c can also be written as alpha is beta minus the difference into beta plus the difference, which is equal to c. So a minus b and a plus b can be written as beta square minus d square. This is a plus b into a minus b form, right? And then we have beta as it is equal to c. So this is the value of c, and this is our equation number 5. Now if you look at equation 3, alpha beta plus beta gamma plus alpha gamma can also be written as alpha beta. So alpha is beta minus difference into beta plus beta into gamma. Gamma is beta plus difference. Just for simplicity's sake, let me just write them all over here. Beta, we are writing beta as it is, alpha as beta minus difference, and gamma as beta plus difference. So now here we have alpha is nothing but beta minus difference into gamma. Gamma is beta plus difference, which is equal to b. So this becomes beta square minus d beta plus beta square plus beta d plus, this is a minus b into a plus b. This becomes beta square minus b square equal to b. So minus d beta and plus d beta cancel. So we have 3 beta square minus d square equal to b. This is our equation number 6. Now, what we have to do is, we have to show that 2a cube minus 9ab plus 27c equal to 0. So what do we do for that? Let's rewrite that equation. 2a cube minus 9ab plus 27c equal to 0. 2 into what is a cube? As per equation 4, 3 beta. So 3 beta cube minus 9. A is once again 3 beta into what is b? Value of b is from equation 6, 3 beta square minus d square plus 27 c. What is c? From equation 5, beta into beta square minus d square. This is equal to 0. So 3 cube is 27. 27 into 2 is 54. So 54 beta cube minus 9 3s are 27. 27 3s are 81. So 81, and beta into beta square is beta cube. Then minus into minus becomes plus. So 9 3s are 27. 27 beta d square. 27 beta d square plus 27 beta cube minus 27 beta d square is equal to 0. So 27 beta d square and minus 27 beta d square cancel out. So we have 54 beta cube, and if we bring 27 first, so 27 beta cube minus 81 beta cube equal to 0. And 54 plus 27 is 81, and 81 minus 81 is 0. Hence 0 equal to 0. Hence proved. Alright, I hope you found this tutorial useful. And if you have any other question on polynomial that you want me to create a video on, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you very much.